people, I am just back from a Brazilian market. I got this big pack of meat from there. They call it the Costella, which I looked up and means beef ribs. Apparently, it's a premier cut for Brazilian barbecues. I've got to get my knife well sharp for this. I've got beef from the same place a few times before, and up to now it was always reared and slaughtered in Ireland. This is the first time that I've seen one that's been slaughtered and reared in the UK. I am not sure why the change. Anyway, the meat looks fresh and good quality. The meat is tender and has a good ratio of fat content suitable for the carnivore diet. The Brazilians cook this cut of meat by way of slow barbecue or slow roasting. What I'm going to do with it is I'm going to do slow cooking in a slow cooker or crock pot. The Costella cut tends to come with small little particles of bone in the meat. So I'm trying to wash that off. It's not pleasant to come across it in your tongue. I think the particles are left when they're sewing the meat. I've often wondered if there's no better way they can sew it without the little particles going on the meat. But anyhow, I have first set my slow cooker onto high to get it heated, and then I set it down on low for me to leave it for 4 hours before checking it. I drain out the water from the meat as much as possible. I mean the washing water. And I don't add any liquids. It cooks in its own juices. I've decided to salt it right from the beginning of the cooking. I'm not sure if there's anything wrong or right with that. It's ready now. Better color, appetizing, lovely. I'm going to have some of this broth. So filling. Look how tender this is. Thank you so much for watching.